For millions of years, mankind struggled with communication. Today, communication technology continues to grow at an unprecedented pace and has opened up a plethora of possibilities through wireless connectivity and the internet.
However, in times of crisis, even the most advanced communication channels tend to seem insignificant. When nature decides to retaliate and restore the balance of sustainability, last mile connectivity becomes sacrosanct.
संपूर्ण लॉकडाउन होने जा रहा।
The onset of COVID-19 has left the world in shock. Phase 4 of the lockdown in India has left tens of thousands stranded, hungry, and desperate for help. Despite amicable efforts by support groups, the government, and volunteers, last mile connectivity was still not at its best.
Thousands of migrant workers were waiting stranded at KSRTC bus stand, BIC, Chikka Banavara, and Maluru railway station, waiting for their moment of salvation to return to their hometowns. With no essential supplies like food and water, uncertainty was imminent.
What India needed was an effective communication system that ensured immediate, accurate, and clear communication for necessary action. India had its heroes behind the frequency who stepped forward to ensure quality and timely supply of essentials. At the end of the day, we're all human, and communication is the most important thing that ties us together.
Dr. Satyapal confirms with Captain Manivannan, IAS Secretary, Information and Public Relations, Government of Karnataka, that we are ready to give ham communication support for COVID-19 crisis. Captain Manivannan quickly assures that we can go ahead in setting up a ham radio station in the Chief Minister's War Room at Varthasauda, Bengaluru. The Chief Minister's War Room was set up at Varthasauda. A brief inspection was done on where to position the ham radio station and location of the antennas. We were live at 12 p.m. and the station was on air at 1:15 p.m.
A wider network was still to be put in place as the pandemic spread into an outbreak. Communication needed to be fortified. The government, in collaboration with the ham radio community, now had its headquarters.
The ham radio operators, who are civilians, have been of great help during any emergency, calamity, disaster, because these people are the most disciplined communicating agents who is available to the civilian administration, who are as good as the police department, at the same time who know the locality much better than any other government officials. So the contribution of the ham radio to the civilian administration during the time of calamity is something which cannot be put in words. Myself, I have taken their support and help 2-3 times in case of the floods which happened in Chennai, when the entire communication of the mobile channels and the landlines completely collapsed. There was no way we could communicate. That time we communicated through the ham radio. The ham radio operators in Bangalore were able to communicate with the ham operators in Chennai and able to convey the message. And there was absolutely no other way of communication. You have either the satellite phone or the ham radio. Satellite phone nobody knows, nobody has, and it is not very common. It's an uncommon thing, whereas ham is very common among the civilians. Similar thing happened again during Corona, when we had a problem with regard to communicating with one-to-many for distribution of the food, distribution of the ration, etc. Ham operators, again they came and established a control room. They were able to have a communication over a 50-kilometer range, real time, which was a huge improvement over what we were doing. In fact, after the ham radio system came, we could be sure where the food was going. We could also be sure who is working and what help they require. One night they were able to trace a migrant couple who could not find a place to stay. They took almost 5.5 hours, but without anything, without even mobile connectivity, they could find a couple thanks to the ham. I think that this is something which the government should actually support, the ham radio, and citizens should volunteer to become ham radio operators, because you'll be able to do a great job when there is a real critical need.
When internet isn't sufficient for last mile connectivity,
when all the technology, communication channels, and national mobility is doing their best but need help,
there are the heroes behind the frequency.
the ones who mobilize effective communication across India.
Ham radio bridged the gap.
The ham radio community,
The
the heroes
heroes behind
behind
the
the
frequency.
frequency.